Okay guys, welcome back to the thinking portion of this. Now, because this is very similar to the Pythagorean theorem that we've done with 2D shapes, the thinking questions are not as challenging. And I will tell you that unlike the 2D shape ones, in grade 9, you don't need to know how to figure out if there's a missing leg in a 3D shape because it's more of a grade 10 and grade 11 process that you're going to use. So right now, all you have to know about 3D shapes is just how to figure out the Pythagorean theorem. So it's a squared plus b squared plus h squared. So this question is all about crime. We've got a room. Surprisingly, it looks like a square. The same square that might have been in the previous questions. Surprising, I know, it's crazy. And just so we can make it look a little bit nicer, we'll add the box. I know, guys. Oh no, that did not work out well. So we've got a room here, and I'm going to label some areas. So I'm going to label the back of the rooms A and hopefully you can see this B, and I'm going to label the front here C and D. So this is a bank vault, and it holds my most prized item. It holds a Natalie Portman mug. Okay, and I'm just going to draw her beautiful body and beautiful face. So it's got a mug there. Now, this room is very, I protect this, right? So I've actually got a laser beam going from A to D, and I've got a laser beam going from B to C. Right, so people can't really get in there. If they try to, it's bad news, right? So this room, I know what you're probably asking yourself, how big is this room? Well, it's 35 feet long, it's 12 feet wide, and it's 15 feet tall. What I want to know is the following. How much feet of lasers are in the room? Okay, how much feet of lasers are in the room? Take a pause, go try your best to figure it out, and come back in when you're done. Okay, so you're back, which is great. So let's see how you did. So why is this a thinking question? Well, it's going to take two parts for this. So the first part is, let's actually just do what we've been doing the entire lesson so far. H squared equals c squared. We're going to plug this stuff in. So 35 squared plus 12 squared plus 15 squared. I actually took the time and did the math here because I knew there were going to be huge numbers. So 35 squared is 1225 plus 144 plus 225 equals c squared. So c squared equals 1594. And that means that c equals the square root of 1594. Hopefully you're following along and that you kind of got this set up. I'm really trying to focus on, and not doing all the time, but I'm really trying to focus on this piece right here. This is a huge communication piece for next year, and having all your equal signs add up and having your thinking going down the row. And sometimes I see people writing all over the place. You want to keep your thought process in a clear and organized manner. So we've got C equals 39.9 feet. So I'm done, right? There's 39.9 feet in the room. No, there's not, because this 39.9 only is representative of one laser beam, right? And that's where the tricky part comes in. That's where you have to remember that there's actually two laser beams, right? So A to D and C to B are the exact same. So I'm going to take that number, 39.9, I'm going to multiply it by 2, and I'm going to get 79.8. And so that is the answer, 79.8 feet. Oops, my goodness. 79.8 feet of laser beams in the room. So that's pretty much this extra lesson about kind of extending the Pythagorean theorem into 3D shapes. There is an exit card. It is it is going to be a little bit more of a challenge to think about. Please give it your best shot. And if you have any questions, I'll be online tomorrow, and then we can discuss it. If you have not finished the show, which from the previous day, please make sure that you do so. I know that I posted the answers, but I'm hoping that you would have completed it already. Again, have a great weekend. Hopefully you've tried the puzzle that I left for you. And I might see if we can get online tomorrow and maybe do like a classroom chat. I'm looking into a Zoom conference sometime soon. I miss you guys. I hope that you're all staying safe. It's a very bittersweet time for me, and I really do miss you guys. You guys are such great kids, and I'm sending you all my love from our family. Okay, talk to you guys later. Bye.